Hi, room 28. I hope you're all excited to learn how to dance today. This week, I'll be teaching you how to line dance. Do any of you know how to line dance? What about the step sequences that consist of a line dance? If you're not sure, the line dance is a 4-count sequence where you will take 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left, 4 steps back, and 4 steps forward. Please keep in mind that at the end of week 4, you will be performing this at a talent show where if we win, we will be provided with a pizza party. Please keep in mind that throughout any of this process that we're going through this week, that if you feel uncomfortable or nervous or anything of that sort, and you would like any accommodation or you need any extra help on the side, please let me know and we can work something out. So to begin, I would like to show you guys this video of students dancing to Achy Breaky Heart. But however, before I do show this video to you, I would like to ask a few discussion questions. So the first is, do you know what line dancing is? The second is, have you ever seen line dancing done before? The third is, since you will be performing in front of the school, do you guys have any experience with that? And the fourth is, have you ever learned a dance routine? And the fifth, do you enjoy dancing? And the sixth is, are you excited about this project? After we have all gathered and answered these questions, I will then take part in showing my classes this video. So I would be showing them this video because it would help them to recognize what they would be doing and what they're instructed to do. As it also provides them with detail of realizing that it's not something difficult to perform and that we have a good possibility. As you can see here, the students did make mistakes. I'm not going to be super hard on you guys if you guys do make mistakes during the actual performance, so don't be too worried about that. So before we head over to the gym, we will first go over the proper etiquette that one must display while on the dance floor. So the first is to always walk around the edge of the dance floor. The second is never walk through lines of dancers. The third is don't talk to your peers on the dance floor as you don't want to distract them. The fourth is if you bump into someone, you must apologize. The fifth, be aware of other dancers. And the sixth, if you make a mistake, continue to go with the flow. Don't jam the whole dance floor. So before we head to the gym, does anybody have any questions? Okay, please clear your desks and line up at the door and we'll head over to the gym. So today I'll be teaching you, this is day 1, so today we'll be teaching you the formation of the dance I would like you guys to be in. So you guys will be in groups, lines of 3 to 5, where you will be alternating boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. So from there, I will teach you the step sequences, which is 4 to the left, 4 to the back, 4 to the left, 4 to the right, 4 to the back, and 4 to the front. On the 4th count, you clap. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from there, we will perform with the music playing. So I'll be going over this with you all 3 times with instruction. So you'll hear me counting in the background. And from there, if more practice is needed, we can go through it step by step, slower or faster if needed. So this is what I expect. At the end, I'll show this to you. So once we have accomplished this, I will instruct you all to then perform the routine on your own. So this is the time where I will sit back and watch and correct if need be. So this is what you would be expected to perform like.
Teaching you how to line dance. This is my student Natalie. She's going to be my demonstrator today. So I'm going to start by asking her to take 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this.
As you can see here, Natalie did repeat. So this is very important that I instruct you all to do.
This is the basics to our line dance we're going to be doing today. So for this video, we're going to be showing you how to line dance to the song Achy Breaky Heart. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for our demonstrator today. I hope you guys enjoyed our little video, and I look forward to hearing your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you.
So as you can see, that is what I'm expecting of you. However, during the final performance, you will find that I won't be counting along with you, so just be sure to understand and know the count sequence in your head. So this is what we're going to learn more in depth this week as we continue. Thank you for coming in today, and I will see you all tomorrow bright and early to practice this. Have a nice night.